In this video, I will show you how to create a wish list on Amazon. So make sure to follow along to learn how to add your favorite products, organize items you want to buy later. If this video does help you out today, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Amazon and tech-based tutorials. To get started, head over to Amazon, and what you want to do is log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up and hover over your name in the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is come to the Your List section. Now in here you're going to see an option to create a list. Give that a click, and what you can then do is give your list a name. Once you've done that, click on to create, and what that's going to do is create your new list. Now to actually go ahead and add any items to your wish list, you just want to find the item on Amazon that you want to add to your wish list. So for example, if I click onto this gift card, and once you're on the actual page, what you can do is if you come over to the right hand side where you've got like the options to add to basket or buy now, you can see there is also an option to add this to list. What you want to do is click onto the small arrow next to this, and you should now see your wish list come up. So give that a click, and what that's going to do is add it to your list, and you'll now see if I come back up to the top, hover over my name and click onto my wish list, which is just here, you can see the item has now been added. So by default, your wish lists are set to private, as you can see. But if you do want to share this with someone, then if you actually click onto the invite button underneath your wish list, you can see we've got a couple of options to either invite someone to view only, or you can invite people to view and edit your list, in which case you can add or remove items from your list. So if you want to share this with someone, I'm going to select view only. And what you can then do is going to generate a link. So you can click onto copy link, and you can then send that to whoever you want to via something like email or messenger, and of course share your wish list with that person. So that is how to create wish list on Amazon. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.